In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expand a stroke in Figma. While Figma doesn't use the exact term expand stroke like Illustrator does, the feature you're looking for is called outline stroke. It takes any stroke on a shape or line and turns it into a filled vector shape, which is the practical equivalent of expanding a stroke. Here's the idea behind it. Before outlining, your object is a path with a stroke applied to it. That stroke has adjustable properties like weight, cap style, and dash patterns. After outlining, Figma converts that stroke into a standalone vector shape with a fill. At that point, you're no longer dealing with a stroke. You're working with a shape made of editable points and curves. It's perfect when you need precise control over the geometry or want to make sure the appearance is consistent across different environments. There are two quick ways to do this. The fastest is the keyboard shortcut. First, select the shape or line that currently has a stroke. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Alt plus O. On Mac, press Command plus Option plus O. As soon as you do, Figma converts the stroke into a vector path. You'll immediately notice that stroke controls like weight and dash are no longer available because the stroke has become a filled object. If you prefer menus, you can use the right-click method. Select the object with the stroke, right-click directly on it, and choose Outline Stroke. The result is the same. Your stroke is now a solid vector shape that you can edit point by point. Once outlined, you can refine the geometry using vector edit tools. Move anchor points, adjust handles, and tweak corners to get the exact contours you want. This is especially helpful for custom lettering, icons, or any design where the thickness and edges of a line need to be locked in and sculpted precisely. A quick note on what changes after outlining. Stroke-specific settings are baked into the shape's outline. That means you won't be able to change the stroke weight, cap style, or dash pattern anymore, because the object no longer has a stroke. It's a filled path. If you convert by mistake, just use undo to go back and keep your editable stroke. That's all there is to it. Use the shortcut if you like speed, or the right-click menu if you prefer a visual approach. Either way, outline stroke gives you full control over the geometry and ensures your design looks exactly the way you intend.